Alright, welcome to my channel. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. I want to talk about Avacoin launching. Some people are very confused. Newbies are confused on how to claim the next step after here. I even got questions from people saying the account is now zero, that kind of thing, knowing that that was a snapshot that was announced. So, before I proceed, I want to invite everyone seeing this video to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and to my Telegram channel. I just created this Telegram channel to help newbies and also to share updates. I verify my updates before I share them. I make researches on projects that are well linked and well partnered, supported. Okay. So I'll be dropping the link to this Telegram channel. It's a new channel. I just created it 2 days ago. I'll be dropping the link in the description box. You join the Telegram channel. You're getting updates about crypto mining, airdrops, and other updates about crypto. It's really for cryptocurrency. Okay, so Avacoin has added some more tax to help you earn. All right, they've added some more tax to help you earn. So if you're already existing member, go and perform this tax. When you perform this tax, you earn more fund, more Avacoin tokens. All right, so if you're a new member, you can join and get Avacoin tokens in your wallet, like your app, Avacoin dashboard. Why I encourage everyone to do this is because no one knows what the price will be. Because Avacoin is hard to mine, hard to get. It's not pumping thousands of coins. We don't know the distribution rate. I'm thinking it should be 1-to-1, but they may do well in the market because Notcoin is supporting them, assisting them in the launching process. So I believe they will do well. If they do well, from information, they'll be launching at either 0.01 or 0.03, or it can be better off, and the market can still go up if you get 1 hour coin to 0.1 and you were able to get 1000, or let's say 100 hour coin tokens, 100, then the price is 0.1. That means you got $10. Okay, so 1000 will give you $100 at that rate. And who knows the strategy they are using, they may even go higher. So why I'm saying this is, claim it, like get it now is free before it has a price tag. Get it now is free. So if the coin becomes expensive, like, you understand the point now, like he's now rated, people are looking for it, it's now expensive, like, this platform of getting free coins may cease existing. So you have to buy in the market, and you start regretting, had I been I knew, I would have done the tax and I would have gotten up to $100, $200, $1,000. So that's why I said it takes you nothing. Within 3 to 5 minutes you are done with it. So use the link below in the description box and join this project. When you join this project, you'll be waiting for the second snapshot. The first airdrop distribution snapshot has been taken on the 28th of this month. So the next one will be announced. That's why you should join our Telegram channel so that you get updates of how the things are happening and when they are happening. Premium updates for free. Okay, so if you want to claim Avacoin tokens, now I believe you linked a Ton wallet to it, either Telegram wallet, Tonkeeper, my Ton wallet, and thereabouts. So I don't know the one you link to it to be eligible for the airdrop distribution for the drop. So if you connected, let's say, Telegram channel the wallet, right, you will be having from what information unverified, the claiming will be free. So when you claim it, it will get into your Telegram wallet or your Keeper wallet. When it enters your wallet, it needs small gas fee, like 0.2 ton will be enough for you to do everything you will do there. 0.2 ton, you exchange it to USDT, to Coin, to Notcoin. When you exchange it to any of these, you can sell it through Telegram wallet P2P. I'll be giving better descriptions of this in my next video, but you'll be in the Telegram channel and on YouTube channel. So only those who subscribe will get it. I will do the demonstration of what I'm saying. So when you get this, you can sell it through the P2P market. Okay, before you can sell on or buy on P2P market, you have your account verified. All those will be in the next video. So now if you're having Keeper, my wallet, or you don't want to sell in the P2P market, you can transfer your Avacoin token to Bitgate, because it's listing on Bitgate same tomorrow, or you transfer it to Bitmart, it's still listing on Bitmart. So either of these ones, your choice. If you send it to your Bitgate wallet, you have it there. You can trade it. You can sell it for USDT, because that's the trading pair coming up now. So you trade it for USDT, you convert it to USDT based on the current market price. Alright, so when you convert it, you can now sell your USDT. For some people in some areas, countries where cryptocurrency is banned, that's where P2P market comes into play. Alright, you can use P2P to change it to your fiat currency. So this is just the step you take. I just show the stuff on this particular Telegram group. You can read through. Alright, what I just said now is what I read. I just said let me make a short video. Just calm down, join the channel, you get updates on what to do. I don't want to make people to get gas fee, maybe to transfer to Bitgate to trade, or to exchange to maybe Coin and sell on the P2P market using Telegram wallet, until we know the price of the token, what it will be listed at. So if someone is having 100 or 300 ton Avacoins and the thing is listed at 0.00 and it's worth nothing, so there's no use of putting your money, the one you have, as a gas fee to your town. So I'm taking it step by step. Each step I tell you, newbies, so you not be confused. You take it step by step and you understand what you are doing. So next time it will not be confusing, and you'll be able to navigate all through these things. So see you in my next video. Remember to subscribe, share, and like if you got some information from this. All right, good luck.